Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to keep your car's air conditioning system running smoothly and efficiently, then you have come to the right place. Today, we're reviewing the top 7 AC recharge kits for 2024. Whether you're dealing with a cooling issue or just need a top-up, these kits offer reliable solutions to keep you cool in the road. Let's dive into the best options available. First on our list, we have the InterDynamics AC Recharge R-134a Kit. This kit is renowned for its comprehensive approach to recharging your car's air conditioning system. It includes a 12-ounce can of R-134a refrigerant, which is designed to restore the necessary pressure and ensure optimal cooling performance. The kit comes with a high-quality charging hose equipped with a gauge, allowing you to easily monitor the pressure and avoid overcharging. The design of the InterDynamics kit is user-friendly with an easy-to-use trigger dispenser that simplifies the recharging process. The gauge provides clear, accurate readings, making it straightforward to achieve the right level of refrigerant. Additionally, the inclusion of a leak detector helps identify any potential issues with the system before they become major problems. The InterDynamics AC Recharge Kit is known for its reliability and effectiveness, making it a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. In terms of quality, this kit is built to last with durable materials that ensure a long service life. It's designed for R-134a systems, which are commonly found in vehicles manufactured after 1994. Overall, this kit offers a well-rounded solution for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system, delivering dependable performance and ease of use.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next up, we have the ZeroR AC Refrigerant, specifically formulated with R-134a. This product is a popular choice due to its high purity and consistent performance. Each can contains 12 ounces of refrigerant, providing an ample amount to restore your AC system's cooling efficiency. The ZeroR refrigerant is designed to work seamlessly with most vehicles that use R-134a refrigerant. This design of the ZeroR AC refrigerant includes a self-sealing can, which prevents leakage and ensures that the refrigerant is delivered accurately. The can is equipped with a built-in pressure gauge, allowing you to easily monitor the system's pressure and avoid overcharging. This feature is particularly useful for those who are not familiar with the nuances of AC recharging. In terms of quality, ZeroR is known for its high-grade refrigerant that meets industry standards. The product is manufactured to provide reliable cooling performance and long-lasting effects. The ease of use and effective results make ZeroR AC refrigerant a solid choice for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system. Whether you are a DIY mechanic or a professional, this product delivers the reliability and performance you need. At number 3, we have the Easy Chill Air Conditioner Recharge Kit. This kit is designed for ease of use and effectiveness, making it a great option for anyone looking to recharge their vehicle's AC system. The kit includes a 12-ounce can of R-134a refrigerant along with a durable charging hose and pressure gauge. The Easy Chill Kit is known for its straightforward design, featuring a simple, user-friendly trigger dispenser that allows for precise control over the amount of refrigerant added. The included gauge is easy to read, helping you monitor the pressure levels and ensure a proper charge. The kit also comes with a built-in leak sealer, which can help address minor leaks and improve the overall performance of your AC system. The quality of the Easy Chill Kit is evident in its robust construction and reliable performance. The refrigerant is formulated to restore cooling efficiency and enhances the performance of your air conditioning system. The inclusion of a leak sealer adds an extra layer of protection, making this kit a versatile choice for maintaining your vehicle's AC system. Overall, the Easy Chill Air Conditioner Recharge Kit is a practical and effective solution for keeping your AC running smoothly. Number 4 on our list is the AC Pro R-134a AC Recharge with UV dye. This kit is unique due to its inclusion of UV dye, which helps in detecting leaks within your AC system. The kit contains a 12-ounce can of R-134a refrigerant and a UV dye that can be easily injected into the system. The AC Pro Kit is designed with a built-in gauge and hose, making the recharging process straightforward and efficient. The gauge allows you to monitor the pressure levels accurately, while the UV dye helps in identifying any leaks that may be affecting the performance of your AC system. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that your system remains in good working condition. The quality of the AC Pro R-134a kit is reflected in its effective refrigerant formula and reliable performance. The UV dye enhances the kit's functionality by providing a clear method for detecting leaks, which can help prevent future issues. The robust design and ease of use make this kit a valuable tool for maintaining and troubleshooting your vehicle's air conditioning system. With its added leak detection feature, the AC Pro R-134a AC Recharge Kit offers a comprehensive solution for AC maintenance. The number 5 position is dominated by SURIEEN AC Charge Hose with Gauge. This product is designed for those who need a reliable charging hose and gauge for their AC recharging needs. The kit includes a high-quality charging hose with a built-in gauge, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The SURIEEN hose is designed for durability and ease of use, with a robust construction that ensures long-lasting performance. The gauge provides accurate pressure readings, allowing you to monitor the refrigerant levels and achieve the correct charge for your AC system. The hose is equipped with a universal connector, making it compatible with most R-134a systems. In terms of quality, the SURIEEN AC Charge Hose with Gauge is known for its precision and reliability. The gauge is easy to read and provides clear indication of the pressure levels, helping you avoid overcharging and undercharging your AC system. The durable hose construction ensures that the product can withstand regular use and provide consistent performance. Overall, this kit is a valuable addition to any automotive toolkit, offering a reliable solution for recharging your air conditioning system. Next up, at number 6, we have the InterDynamics AC Recharge Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide everything you need for a successful AC recharge. It includes a 12-ounce can of R-134a refrigerant, a durable charging hose, and an easy-to-read pressure gauge. This kit also comes with a detailed instruction manual, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. The design of the InterDynamics kit emphasizes ease of use with a user-friendly trigger dispenser that allows for precise control over the amount of refrigerant added. The included gauge provides accurate pressure readings, helping you achieve the correct charge for optimal cooling performance. The durable construction of the hose ensures long-lasting use and reliable performance. In terms of quality, the InterDynamics AC Recharge Kit is known for its effective refrigerant formula and robust design. The kit is compatible with most vehicles using R-134a refrigerant and is suitable for both professional and DIY use. The comprehensive nature of this kit makes it a versatile choice for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system, providing reliable performance and ease of use. Last but certainly not least, we have the Bylikeho AC Refrigerant Charge Hose. This product is designed to provide a reliable and efficient solution for recharging your AC system. The kit includes a high-quality charge hose with a built-in gauge, offering precise control over the refrigerant levels and ensuring optimal performance. The Bylikeho hose is constructed with durability in mind, featuring a robust design that can withstand regular use. The gauge is easy to read and provides accurate pressure readings, helping you avoid overcharging or undercharging your AC system. The universal connector makes the hose compatible with most R-134a systems, providing versatility for various vehicles. The quality of the Bylikeho AC Refrigerant Charge Hose is reflected in its performance and reliability. The durable construction and precise gauge make it a valuable tool for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system. Whether you are a DIY mechanic or a professional, this kit offers a dependable solution for keeping your AC system in top condition. Its ease of use and robust design ensure that you can achieve effective results every time. And there you have it, our top 7 AC recharge kits for 2024. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.